हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल दिस सेलिंग बेस्ट। चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए, साथ ही में बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आने वाले सभी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएंगे। एंड मुझे भी इंकरेजमेंट मिलता है आपके लिए नए नए इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस अपलोड करने के लिए। इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे रिफ्रेशर एंड अपडेटिंग ट्रेनिंग कोर्स फॉर इंजीनियर्स, दैट इज़ RUT और RUCE DG Shipping Exit Examination Question and Answers set number 2. Question 1 is the objective of ship classification is answer is D, to verify reliability and function of the propulsion and steering system, power generation and those other features and auxiliary systems which have been built into the ship in order to maintain essential services on board. Question number 2, rule requirements for survey of laid up vessels are answer is at the reactivation of after layup. Question number 3, as per SOLAS, immediate and renewal surveys of non-ESP vessels, ESP is enhanced survey planning, may be carried out for answer is D, as for ESP vessels, enhanced survey program. Question number 4, BWM, its ballast water management system installed on ships on or after 28th of October 2020 shall be in compliance with. So answer is A, the BWMS code, that is ballast water management system code. Question number 5, as per SOLAS chapter 2 regulation 1/35 1.2.6 and 3.4 and 3.10 referring to regulation B-2-20 6.1.4, drainage and pumping arrangements is included for special hazards associated with fixed pressure water spraying fire extinguishing system for. So answer is B, cargo and passenger vessels whose keel is laid on a date more than date 1st of January 2020, that is on or after 1st of January 2020. Question number 6, classification rules are subject to constant refinement based upon additional research or practical experience and are based on. So answer is B, IMO goal based standards. Question number 7, the RO means recognized organization, which is another name of classification societies, is responsible and accountable to the flag state administration for the work that is carried for the work that it carries out for the ship on its behalf. So answer is C, the code of RO. Question number 8, unified requirements, that is also known as UR, are resolutions on matters arising from implementing the requirements of IMO, International Maritime Organization's instruments incorporated in their respective classification society rules, and are answer is A, minimum technical requirements adopted by IACS members. IACS is International Association of Classification Societies. Question number 9, a prerequisite of the ship to be classed by classification society are. So answer is A, ship is built in compliance with the International Maritime Organization's conventions, that is IMO conventions, and mandatory codes as applicable for the ship. Question number 10, the purpose of classification society is to. So answer is A, provide classification and statutory services to maritime industry. Question number 11, all officers should know. Answer is D, how to shut down power ventilation system. Question number 12, during an emergency drill, chief mate must be able to. Answer is A, demonstrate command and control of emergency team. Question number 13, the inspector will check logbook entries to. Answer is B, ensure that all required entries and tests are completed prior to arrival and departure. Question number 14. A standard pre-arrival procedure should include. Answer is C. A good wipe down of oily surface. Question number 15. Europe and Asia joined in identifying substandard ships through. Answer is C. The Paris and the Tokyo MOU. Question number 16. One way to demonstrate awareness of dangers posted by the cargo is posting the. Answer is A. MSDS. MSDS means Material Safety Data Sheet. DOC is Document of Compliance. It is Gas Free Certificate. SEQ means Safety Equipment Certificate. Question number 17. During the fire drill, crew must ensure that. Answer is A. Water pressure is established, electrical power and ventilation to the area is secured. Question number 18. The poor condition of firemen, hydrants or the absence of hoses and extinguishers would point to. Answer is A. Need for closer inspection of firefighting appliances. Question number 19. Drill aboard a ship must. Answer is D. Demonstrate crew competence. Question number 20. MS means merchant shipping. Rules for examination of training, examination and certification of engineers are. Answer is D. Merchant shipping, standards of training, certification and watchkeeping for seafarers. Rules 1998 as amended. Question number 21. MS Act, that is Merchant Shipping Act 1958, deals with the. Answer is A. Collision, accidents at sea and liability. Question number 22. Indian MS Act 1958 as amended was adopted for. Answer is B. Any vessel which is by this act is required to be registered in India. Question number 23. Recent amendments to MS Act is. So it is MLC 2006. MLC is Maritime Labour Convention. Question number 24. SOLAS 1974 as amended deals with. Answer is B. Merchant Shipping Rules 1991 LSA. LSA is Life Saving Appliances. Third option you can see LLMC. This is Limited Liability LLMC is the Convention for Maritime Claims. C. Question number 25. MARPOL Annex 6 deals with. Answer is A. Air pollution. Question number 26. Under which MARPOL Annex garbage record book is required? So answer is Annex 5C. Question number 27. Ballast Water Convention survey and certification requirement applies to all ships. Answer is A. Of 400 GRT and above that has ballast capacity. Question number 28. For existing ships, compliance with requirements of Chapter 4 of MARPOL Annex 6 is checked by verification since. Answer is C. At first intermediate or renewal survey, whichever is first on or after 1st of January 2013. Question number 29. Revision of IBC Code Chapter 17, 18 and 21 assigning carriage requirements for products are applicable to. So answer is A. New and existing ships to which IBC code applies. Question number 30. To which vessels amended to SOLAS B-1/1 and Chapter 2-1B-1.3 requires the provision of computerized stability support for the master in case of flooding is applicable. So correct answer is C. Passenger ships constructed before 1st of January 2014 of 120 meters or more in length or with 3 or more fire zones from the first renewal survey after 1st of January 2025. Question number 31. After 2016, NOx limits for engines above 2000 rpm is dash grams per kilowatt hours. So answer is B 2. Question number 32. The synchronous motor starts rotating following the frequency of its input supply. So answer is A true. Question number 33. For reversing, the synchronous motor is stopped and the phase sequence of the input supply is reversed electronically by suitably changing the firing angle of the thyristors and motor is restarted in the reverse direction. So correct answer, it's true. Question number 34. The speed of DC motor can be varied by controlling the armature voltage is used for controlling the motor speed below the rated speed of motor. So answer is true. Question number 35. The position of the waves created by the bulb end and the hull cancel out under designed range of speeds and draft in other speeds and also in shallow waters or sorry, I will repeat the question again. Question number 35. The position of the waves created by the bulb and the hull cancel out under designed range of speeds and drafts in other speeds and also in shallow drafts. The waves no longer cancel out. So correct answer is true. Question number 36. The flue gases are released to the atmosphere through. So answer is D, electrostatic precipitator. Question number 37. The relationship between the shaft power and the speed is linear for given torque. So answer is true. Question number 38. SPS plating should have an aspect ratio between dash and dash to produce an economic plate with the maximum buckling strength. So answer is C, 1.4 and 1.7. Question number 39. For existing ships, compliance of requirement of Chapter 4 of Annex 6 means. Answer is A, verification that SEEMP, Shipboard Energy Efficiency Management Plan, is on board the ship. Question number 40. kg of the ship increases with. Answer is B, ballasting TB tank. Question number 41. USCG introduced risk management methods that include. Answer is A, targeting substandard vessels. So thank you everyone for watching this video and चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए, साथ ही में वीडियो को भी शेयर कीजिए ताकि बाकी लोगों को भी हेल्प हो जाए, एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन.